Rolex came up with the new Daytona, the Le Mans 100th anniversary Daytona. Did I got that right? Yeah. So basically, I saw a meme somewhere. Someone took the paint marker and the Daytona, and they just painted the 100. And it has a case back. I think it's fantastic watch, but yeah, I think it's a shame that a lot of people are just up in the roar talking about it. Every other YouTube reaction videos, whatnot. Sometimes I will jump on it, but not this time. It just has a case back and red 100, which is awesome. I love lemon, but yeah. What do you guys think about that? Are you the guys who are on the market for a new Daytona? Are you gonna get it? No, you're not gonna get it. I saw a video. I don't think it's. I think it's some sort of commercial or from a movie. There's this Chinese lady. She's selling jewelry in the store, and it kind of enters the middle 30-ish, 40-ish, a rich white rich white woman enters, and she's looking at the jewelry and she sees this beautiful emerald earrings, and she says, how much are these? No, those are just to show off for display. These are in my family for hundreds of years, and they are handmade and whatnot. I just put them there to show off the craftsmanship and whatever, and I'm not gonna sell it. She says, really? Not for sale? How about I give you 20,000? She said, no. They're really family heirloom. They're not for sale. About 30,000. She said, no, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to ask you not to ask me. Then the lady is pissed off and she offers her 100 grand. And of course, Chinese lady sells her the earrings, and the lady walks off all happy with the new handmade earrings, which were not for sale. And the Chinese sales lady just opens her drawer, and you can see a picture of a dozen of these emerald earrings, and she just pulls out a new pair and just put them in the display box. Oh, yeah. Also, Panerai. I just want to talk about Panerai a little bit. Panerai is, I think it's falling down the roof. My mate is trying to sell a Panerai GMT PAM 88. No bites, no nibbles, nothing. It's just that. I think the watch market is going, it's stagnating a little bit. But I think it's a buyer's market right now. But the prices, I need prices to go down a little bit more before I start to feel comfortable buying. Anyways, there's a new Daytona that came out, and they stole the Paul Newman dial. They snuck in the Paul Newman dial because you see the black Daytona 100 Le Mans, the red Le Mans. And when you go to the website, you see the dial options. The Rolex, you can see the silver dial, the white dial, Paul Newman dial. So they kind of subtly snake into that. Also, some new Pateks have come out, but yeah, which are way more interesting. I'm a Patek guy, even though I don't have one. I really appreciate Patek. So just I had the need to say that. So, guys, what do you think about the new Paul Newman Daytona? I think it's awesome. No hate.